cuties. My day started at 7:30 today. The first thing I did was to make myself a warm cup of water and added some lemon to it. I took it up to the terrace to enjoy it with some fresh morning air, which always helps me feel refreshed. After that, I shot a quick video. Then I decided to clean up my room, making sure everything was neat and tidy. Once the room was all set, I sat down and started working. I had quite a few tasks listed for today, so I started working on them. My mornings are usually very productive, so I tried to stretch it for a long time so I can complete most of my work. But at the same time, I got a little tired, so I didn't want to cook breakfast. So I treated myself with a chicken club sandwich from Flury's. My little brother joined me, and we enjoyed it together. I also made myself a cup of coffee to go with it and also watched Bro Girls for the first time today. So I guess I'm sorted for next few months. After the much needed break, I sat down to work and almost completed it. Working long stretches as well as taking small breaks in between is the key to not getting burnt out and also complete most of your work. After that, I took a long and refreshing shower. These are the list of products I'm using currently. After that, I did my skincare and hair care. I have recently started using this niacinamide serum from Minimalist. I was in a mood to wear something Indian today, so I decided to wear this yellow chicken curry kurta. After wrapping up my work by the evening, I decided to read a book. I recently picked up this book, Man's Search for Meaning. After that, I unboxed some PR. I recently started creating beauty content, so this is my first beauty PR. Thank you, Love Earth. They sent me 2 lip crayons and both are amazing. After that, I helped my brother in his art and craft work. Well, I did not help him. I actually did most of it. We were making a dream catcher, and if you want a detailed tutorial for it, let me know in the comment section. I would love to make one. So here I am making some tassels. This little cutie also joined us. This cute little ball of fur. This is my brother's cat and his name is Simba. In the evening, I had to go to South City because I had to exchange a pair of pants which I bought during Durga Puja. Also stopped at Mimiso and checked out their cute cups and tumbler collection. Aren't they so Pinteresty? Now it was time to have something tasty, so I ordered these cheesy momos from Wow Momo and also ordered this naked chicken taco from Taco Bell. Tasted everything, and honestly speaking, nothing can beat the taste of good cheesy chicken momos. I also tried some Taco Bell, but then honestly I did not enjoy the taste as much as I enjoyed the momos.